Question 1. Oh, we've got a picker. Sergio, we could pan round. Look what's happening. Great work. Pick in one and order. These videos must be working. Okay. Let's start. Oh, we didn't do the question 1. Question for you guys. Where's the best place to put your hands on video? What are your ideas so far?
Well, we got pockets.
Pockets is one.
We got. Oh yeah, hips.
Hips behind.
Behind.
And the other one was we were trying to think of a Wilco thing. Johnny Wilco, weren't we?
Yeah.
So if you let us know 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, behind, hips, or Wilco, and we'll reveal the results in the next video.
Welcome back, Team Millers, to the next episode in the Team Mill series where we answer your questions from feedback, from the community, from socials, and from emails. I'm Ebo, and
she's forgotten my name. What kind of guy are you? A forgettable one.
Great question here from Sharon, who asks, how can I beat the Instagram algorithm?
Sharon wants to beat it. What do you think she wants to beat it with?
A slipper?
A slipper. It's interesting we have this thing out there, Instagram, and we're aware there's this algorithm that's kind of controlling things, and we're all subject to it. I think, though, it's unlikely that an individual person just starting a business is going to find out a way to kind of sneak around it or beat it or cheat it. And even if they do, that space, that niche, is a sustainable place to grow a business. So it might be more productive to say, how do I understand the Instagram algorithm? Mm-hmm. And how do I make it work kind of with me instead of against me? And for that, it helps for us to understand what the purpose of it is, which is to make the user have a good experience. How does someone who's interested in surfing see interest in surfing content? So what would we say about the importance of content in the Instagram algorithm?
I think we would say that they want their users to see good content.
Yeah. So
post good content, help them help you.
Nice. Help them help you. Post great content, that's what it's all about. Mm-hmm. And something I've heard you say before, just post great content, the rest will take care of itself. So that's our answer for you, Sharon. Think about posting some incredible content so the algorithm can find you, push you, and help you find new people. We've got a question here from the community. It's kind of a multi-participant question, like a 3-person question. Or, like the Chuckle Brothers, there's a third brother. Imagine if all of them say the question at the same time.
Okay.
Have you got any news about stickers, and can you tell me more? Should we try and say it at the same time to kind of...
Okay, yeah.
3,
okay.
2, 1. Have we got any news about stickers, and can you tell me any more?
Can you tell me
okay.
More? Hey.
Take that for a test drive. Go on. Unpeel and stick. Where are you going to put yours?
Hey.
Where are you going to put yours? What do we think of that?
Love it.
That's it. In 2 words, love it. Give us your review, snap review.
It's sticky. That's it.
Love it, it's sticky. You heard it here first. At Davinci, tell her what you think about that feedback. Made out of paper.
Made out of paper.
Tell us about the print quality.
Print quality, fantastic. I mean...
And what's interesting about it as well is this backing. It's kind of like, it feels kind of plasticky, but it's just paper.
Yeah,
this is an interesting process called calendarization. And that does not mean January, February, March, April, May.
Oh, thank God for that.
Yeah. Someone stole a calendar once, he got 12 months. And calendarized paper is kind of like crushed. It's like crush it. It's like, yeah, it's like put it through a crushing thing. So there's paper here. Chuck that in the regular recycling bin. Oh, yeah. This is a permanent sticker, so be careful what you stick it to. We're never getting these off. Full colour, coming to Team soon. Really excited about it. Review. How excited would you say you are in 1 word? Because you're a specialist in 1 to 2 word reviews now.
Ecstatic. I was gonna try and make it stick.
Oh,
nah,
stick static. There you go. I did it for you.
It's better.
Stickers.
Interesting question here from Sam, who says, I'm thinking about placing a bulk order. Can you tell me about the difference between DTG and screen printing?
Oh, that is a good question. We made a whole video on that. We just said in the video. I think it was me and Tom. Yeah, made a whole video on this. Have you ever seen DTG and screen printing? Screen printing is kind of old school. You have like a mesh. You cut it one color at a time. You put it down. You need to order, what do you think, like 50 to 100 minimum?
Yeah, bit more.
Before it makes economic sense. So you're talking about buying in bulk, old school retail style. What we're doing with digital is printing one at a time in real time in full color. It's way more exciting. You can design it today. We can print it right now, no setup, no minimum. It's with you tomorrow. You can even print a photo. So DG is arguably way more radical and awesome.
Super interesting question though, because we've just made a bunch of changes to the factory.
Well, lucky you're here. Yes, that's a good point. Because in the past, screen print was kind of like quite an advanced and mature technology, and DG is like all brand new. And as a result, there was a lot of ways to make screen print in products like bulletproof in terms of longevity and wash care, whereas new technologies, new chemicals result in more trial and error. And we've made a massive investment over the last sort of 6 months, would you say? In fact, we stood behind one of them. Whole new factory on the Isle of Wight in the East Cowes. Anyone who's visited the Isle of Wight, we're right next to that Union Jack building, which you see when you come in on the boat. So give us a wave when you're on the boat. Beep, beep. And as part of that, it includes these big tunnel dryers. I think you might have done a tour in a previous AMA. New tunnel dryers, new heating system, new ink system, which increases quality to the point where I think it's quite difficult actually to tell the difference between the two, which means you've got the quality benefits of screen print with the cost benefits, the economic benefits, the flexibility advantages, and the accessibility fundamentally of DTG, which is what makes T more possible. Great question. I guess to summarize, you shouldn't really notice the difference when we're doing things right, and especially now that we've improved a lot of the production systems in the factories. Question here from Anna, and basically all of the women on T-Mill, which is, can we have some cooler women's shapes and some more colors, more on-trend colors? What you got for us? Look how excited she is about this. Come on. Come on.
We got to... Can I?
You can, yeah, you should. What are you doing? Just getting really excited. Whoa! So excited.
What do I do with them?
Talk us through them.
Okay.
I'll hold them.
Okay.
I'll hold.
All
I'll
right.
be like the clothes horse.
All right. So we got some new colours. Pulled off the sample rack. So here they.
You literally just ran and got them, didn't you?
Yes.
You just said it has to be
Like
included.
literally ran.
Cooler colours?
Cooler colours, a lot more like neutrally beigey, earthy colours, which we had a lot of feedback in community about people wanting more colours like that. So I think.
I think that's great.
Yeah, I think that's great.
I just think you're so excited about them, you just don't know what to think. Oh, don't tell the product team that I just did that. Okay, I need to find a way to hook these up.
What about here?
This is chaos.
This?
No, I'm good, I'm good. I figured it out. New women's wear, amazing colours.
Super new flattering shapes.
Super on trend. We're really excited about them. I think shape, colour, trend, and also the fact they're new. They're new. So this year you can look forward to pretty much, had a lot of disruption with the pandemic and with Brexit in terms of our new product rollout. We've got kind of like massive backlog, loads of amazing stuff we're really excited about shipping. That's the first of it, just a little sneak preview, and also consistent with the things that a lot of the women, both in here and in the community, have been asking for. More colours, more shapes, and more on trend. What do you think about that? Did I summarise that up?
I think you summed it up.
I thought I'd just help you out just because you're getting so excited about it.
So there are a few T-mails for you. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can always pop into the community to ask us. We're literally in there all the time.
Pretty much all the time because we have no life. It's tmail.com/chat where you can ask us questions in real time and get answers. Thanks for watching. Remember, before you go to subscribe, the button's down there if you're on YouTube, or go youtube.com/tmailstore to get more content like this direct to your YouTube homepage each week. Look forward to catching up with you soon, either here or in tmail.com/chat with more of your questions and our answers.